Welcome to another video. All right, so today what we're going to be talking about is how you can, well, of course, how you can build your own website using WordPress and the Divi theme. But in particular, what we're going to be talking about is how you can use the layouts provided to you by the Divi theme in order to build your website however you may see fit or however you may like it in terms of design. So you're probably wondering why we're using Divi as our theme. Personally, I love Divi for the simple fact that I can pretty much just do whatever I want. Like usually themes out there for WordPress are really limiting, and there's only so much you can do unless you code. And the whole point of using a CMS, a content management system like WordPress, is to well, at least in my opinion, it's to minimize the amount of coding that you would have to either do or hire someone else to do. Divi allows you to, pretty much just build. Just use your imagination. You can pretty much, I mean, there's other themes out there that allow you to do the same. To be honest, Divi was like the first one I found, and for the fact that they had such a huge community around them, I decided to go along and stick with Divi. I still use other themes sometimes depending on what I want to do, but Divi is pretty much the way to go for me. So I highly recommend it, and this video is not at all sponsored by Divi. I'm not like trying to sell you on Divi. This is just a great theme. I love using it, and I would recommend it to anyone. So yeah, actually let's look at an example website built by Divi here, just because the button's there and it looked really tempting to click on. You can build things like this with Divi. Like this is all using this theme, and you can see how this is this kind of layout, right? So let's go back and click on another one, and just to give you an idea of how flexible it is. It's not like usually a theme would have one set layout, and like let's say if we clicked on that other site, it would kind of look like this, just different text, different content, of course, right? Different background, different pictures. But no, it has its own layout, it has its own style, its own buttons, and like it's its own thing. So that's why I would recommend Divi to anyone. It's really flexible. And yeah, so they have a bunch of layouts. They have a huge community again, so there's like a bunch of layouts that you can use. So before I go into a full rant about how much I love Divi and how much I recommend it, let's just cut ourselves off right there and jump right into the video. Right, so what we're going to be doing, of course, again, is going through the Divi library and seeing what kind of layouts they have available to us so we can build our website. Right, so this is my dashboard. This is my WordPress dashboard. I have a WordPress website set up. I have the Divi theme set up on the website. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to create a new page so I can show you guys the different layouts, and I can show you how to load them up and start customizing them and using them. All right, so I've go ahead and I've created a new page on my website. I said no sidebar because I don't want a sidebar on this page, right? I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to change the default template to a blank page so that I don't have the footer and header. I'm going to call this page layout tutorial. I'm going to go ahead and click on use the Divi builder. And right here, when you look at the Divi builder itself, you can see here that it says save to library, load layout, or clear layout. We're going to click on load layout because that's how you'll be able to find Divi's own layout library. So once it loads up, you see here it says 82 layout packs. These are all different packs that you can use as a layout for your website. Okay, so let's get really specific here. Okay, so let's say I wanted, actually you can see all the categories on the side here. So let's say I wanted to build okay, let's pick business. Let's say you wanted to build a business site for your business. Actually, let's not pick business. That's boo. That sucks. Business is awesome, but not for this tutorial. Let's say health and fitness. You wanted to build a health and fitness website, correct? So you can come here to the health and fitness section and you can see the different packs or layouts that they have. Within these packs, you'll find different styles for different pages, such as a home page, a landing page, a contact page, and so on, right? So let's just say we wanted this fitness gym layout right here, right? So what you can do is you can click on it. You can view the different pages that it has within the pack. Right, so this would be the about page, right? You can go ahead and you can view a live demo of what it would look like. So that's what the about page of that layout pack looks like. This is pretty nice. They did a great job with this. Right, so that's the about page. You can take a look at the blog page, view live demo. That's what the blog page would look like. Okay, and you can go through all of these and you can make up your mind on what would best fit your website, and of course you can customize these to look any way you want. So we're just gonna click on this layout. We're gonna say use this layout. So if you haven't authenticated your Divi theme onto your WordPress website yet, it will ask you to do so here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to enter my credentials and I'm going to authenticate here. Okay, so now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and we're going to see what we've done so far. So I'm going to click on preview, so I can preview our page that we've just created. Okay, so we've gone ahead, we've loaded the layout. This looks like one of their landing pages. Okay, so we're just gonna go and make sure or double check which layout we've loaded. So I'm just gonna go back here to load layout, and we're gonna look for the same layout, the fitness gym. Okay, so it looks like we got the classes layout for this page. I just forgot which layout I clicked on and clicked on use this layout. So it's the classes that we used. Okay, so that's fine. You know what, actually let's just say you wanted their home page, right? So we're gonna click on home page and we're gonna say use this layout, and we're gonna edit this home page to fit our fitness gym, right? So I'm gonna click on preview again to make sure that we have the right changes done. Yeah, so this looks more like a home page than what we had just now. Okay, looks good. So that would be how you would go ahead and load any layout from Divi's layout library and start building on your website. And honestly, to edit this or to edit anything on here and make it look more personal or more fitting to your business, all you have to do is come here to edit page, or go back in here to the place where you edited the page, edit the content, like this video here. I can come in here and change it, or I could just use the visual builder. When I come back to this tab here, I just click up here and click on enable visual builder, and I can visually edit whatever I want. So let's just say that I don't have a 30-day free 30-day gym pass, and I wanted to edit this text. I'm sorry, 3-day, I read that wrong. Let's say I don't have a 3-day gym pass, I have a 30-day gym pass, right? Come in here, edit the text, boom, there's that, right? Let's say I have my own pictures I want to add in this background here. I'm not sure if this is the section background or the row background. Actually no, it looks like it probably is in the row. So let's let's look at the row just to be sure. Nope, it's not in the row. Okay, it's not in the row, so yeah, it's in the section itself. So we're gonna find this little blue part here. The blue part is the whole section, not the row. Click on settings, we're gonna go to background. This is the background image. Yes, it is. We're gonna click on it and we're gonna change it to our own image. Okay, so now we have our own image and the background. All right, so you guys can see we can pretty much do whatever we want to this layout. All right, it's just giving you an idea of what you could do. These layouts are all just giving you ideas of what you could do, and they're putting the layout in front of you so that if you wanted to actually use the layout, if you really like it and you really want to use it, you can go ahead and customize it to fit your own business. All right, so as you can see here, I just added my own little marketing text up here. I added my own image in the back. Divi Fitness Gym. I can change this title here to whatever I want. So bigger, faster, stronger is this text up here. I actually like that for my gym, but we're gonna change this text here to say not Divi Fitness Gym, but let's say bigger, faster, stronger gym. But you guys get the idea, right? You can come in here and you can edit this whole layout to fit your business. Okay, so let's say what is this right here? Initiation $0 initiation fee. Okay, let's say our gym is expensive. It's not $0. Let's just say it's what, like $300, right? $300 initiation fee. That's not something you would want to market firstly on, like the literally the first piece of content on your page, because this right here is a heading, there's a header, sorry. So I wouldn't really consider it like content, this text right here is like the first text you see when you scroll down. So I wouldn't like advertise $300 initiation fee. That $0 was perfect, but you guys get the idea. Again, you can edit this to fit your business. All right, so that would be how you would load any layout you want to any new page that you create or any existing page that you create. That's how you would load a layout from Divi's layout library, and that's how and like this is exactly what you would do to edit them. You could just come to the visual builder and just look at what you want to switch and just change things around as needed. But to finish things off, never forget to hit either save draft, which I'm gonna hit, or publish, which I'm also gonna hit. Just publish this page, why not, right? Because without saving your draft or without publishing, any amount of work that you've put into either this layout or your own design has been probably either deleted, disappeared. But honestly, Divi does a great job, and of course WordPress also does a great job at saving your work for you, or at least prompting you to save your work if you try to exit the page or browser without saving your work. So, but I always encourage people to hit save. Hitting save doesn't really hurt. Not hitting save usually is what hurts. Remember that. Okay, so with that being said, if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to leave a like under the video. If you didn't enjoy the video, of course, feel free to leave a dislike, but I'd also like to know why you don't like the video in the comments down below. And if you did like it, please also leave a comment down below. Let me know what you liked about it. But if you do want to see more like this, or more videos of how I build websites and how I use the Divi theme and how I use WordPress, and of course I will be using other themes also, as well. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I do upload a new video that you can use to help you with your further endeavors. But with that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Peace.